There are 14 categories of Service Management Processes, SMP. 6 of these categories are part of the Service Operations and Control, SOC, processes. There are 30 process requirements grouped in 6 categories within the Service Operations and Control, SOC, processes. These categories are PR9, Incident and Service Request Management, ISRM, PR10, Problem Management, PM, PR11, Configuration Management, CONFM, PR12, Change Management, CHM, PR13, Release and Deployment Management, RDM, PR14, Continual Service Improvement Management, CSI. PR9, Incident and Service Request Management, ISRM.
PR 9.1 All incidents and service requests shall be registered, classified, and prioritized in a consistent manner, taking into account service targets from SLAs. PR 9.2 Incidents shall be resolved and service requests fulfilled, taking into consideration information from SLAs and on known errors as relevant. PR 9.3 Functional and hierarchical escalation of incidents and service requests shall be carried out in a consistent manner. PR 9.4 Customers and users shall be kept informed of the progress of incidents and service requests as appropriate. PR 9.5 Closure of incidents and service requests shall be carried out in a consistent manner. PR 9.6 Major incidents shall be identified based on defined criteria and handled in a consistent manner.
PR 10, Problem Management, PM.
PR 10.1 Problems shall be identified and registered in a consistent manner based on analyzing patterns and trends in the occurrence of incidents. PR 10.2 Problems shall be investigated to identify actions to resolve them or reduce their impact on services. PR 10.3 If a problem is not permanently resolved, a known error shall be registered together with actions such as effective workarounds and temporary fixes. PR 10.4 Up-to-date information on known errors and effective workarounds shall be maintained.
PR 11, Configuration Management, CONFM.
PR 11.1 The scope of configuration management shall be defined together with the types of configuration items, CIs, and relationships to be considered. PR 11.2 The level of detail of configuration information shall be sufficient to support effective control over CIs. PR 11.3 Information on CIs and their relationships with other CIs shall be maintained in a Configuration Management Database, CMDB. PR 11.4
CIs shall be controlled and changes to CIs tracked in the CMDB.
PR 11.5. The information stored in the CMDB shall be verified at planned intervals.
PR 12. Change Management, CHM.
PR 12.1. All changes shall be registered and classified in a consistent manner. Classification shall be based on defined criteria and consider different types of changes, including emergency changes and major changes. PR 12.2. For each type of change, steps shall be defined for handling them in a consistent manner. PR 12.3. Changes shall be assessed in a consistent manner, taking into consideration benefits, risks, potential impact, effort, and technical feasibility. PR 12.4. Changes shall be approved in a consistent manner. The required level of approval shall be determined based on defined criteria. PR 12.5. Changes shall be subject to a post-implementation review as needed and closed in a consistent manner. PR 12.6. A schedule of changes shall be maintained. It shall contain details of approved changes and intended deployment dates, which shall be communicated to interested parties.
PR 13. Release and Deployment Management, RDM.
PR 13.1. Release and deployment strategies shall be defined, together with the service components and CIs to which they are applied. Strategies shall be aligned with the frequency and impact of releases, as well as the technology supporting deployment. PR 13.2. Criteria for including approved changes in a release shall be defined, taking into consideration the applicable release and deployment strategy. PR 13.3. Deployment of releases shall be planned, including acceptance criteria, as needed. PR 13.4. Releases shall be built, tested, and evaluated against acceptance criteria prior to being deployed. The extent of release testing shall be appropriate to the type of release and its potential impact on services. PR 13.5. Deployment preparation shall consider steps to be taken in case of unsuccessful deployment. PR 13.6. Deployment activities shall be evaluated for success or failure.
PR 14. Continual Service Improvement Management, CSI.
PR 14.1. Opportunities for improvement of services and processes shall be identified and registered based on reports as well as results from measurements, assessments, and audits of the SMS. PR 14.2. Opportunities for improvement shall be assessed to decide on necessary actions. PR 14.3. The implementation of actions for improvement shall be controlled in a consistent manner.